Wyatt, go to Daddy.
Hey there, big guy. What are you doing? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, Wyatt. What sound does a lion make? What sound does a lion make? Rawr. Say it.
Wyatt, what sound does a lion make?
What sound does a lion make, Wyatt? Okay, we'll come back to that one. Hey, Wyatt, can you make a sound like a monkey? Come on, Wyatt, make it sound like a monkey. Good boy.
Wyatt.
All right, hey, Wyatt. Wyatt, where's your head? Good boy. You want some more? Where are your feet, Wyatt? Where are your feeters? Yeah. Can you stomp your feet for me? Yeah, good boy. All right, Wyatt, can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands? Good boy. Hey, Wyatt, can you answer the phone? Phone call.
What do you do when the phone rings, Wyatt?
What do you do? Good boy. Wyatt, can you go up? Can you put your hands up in the air? Can you put your hands up in the air?
He's distracted.
All right. What about Wyatt? Eat. Wyatt, eat. Wyatt, can you do eat? Wyatt, can you do eat?
Do that.
Wyatt, can you do milk? Good boy. Yeah, that's milk. Good boy. All right, Wyatt, can you say please? Say no. All right, Wyatt, let's get up. Let's stomp our feet. Let's stomp our feet. Good boy. Where's Wyatt?
Wyatt.
Uh-oh. Wyatt. Where's Daddy's head? Uh-oh.
Dad. Wyatt. Wyatt. Wyatt, come here.
Can you blow us a kiss? Good boy. No. Wyatt, no. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
No.
Good thinkers.
Wyatt.
All right, Wyatt. Where's Daddy's head? Where's Daddy's head?
Wyatt.
Why don't you see if you can
Hey,
ask?
Wyatt. Give him a...
You want some Cheerios?
Wyatt. Wyatt. Wyatt.
Honey, we have to reshoot the whole thing if you shot it like that.
I just switched over a minute ago.
It's fine. It's fine. Why don't you try?